Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am in Bloxburg. I built the Icarly apartment in Bloxburg. You guys want to see that? Well, this is the apartment. That was Freddy's apartment over there. So this is the apartment we're gonna go in. Here we go. Look at this. This is so cool, right? It looks like it. Doesn't it look like it? Yeah, I decided that I would put a ton of pictures. And there's the red couch. This is supposed to be the elevator. But, I didn't put anything in the elevator. So, guys, today, I'm gonna make this a long video because this is kind of short. So, we're just gonna go make some more money and, yeah. So I'm going to actually teleport to Green Clean. Nope. 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 Yes! Oh gosh, that's bright. You guys can't even see my face on the screen. You can't even see my face on the face cam. You know, guys, if I recorded a video late in the night, I wouldn't be doing face cam. Because, one, it would be very late and you wouldn't really be able to see me. So, yeah, that's why if I do a video late at night, it won't have face cam. Because, yeah, the reason I said no more face cam because I did not have one. That's the reason I didn't do face cam before. I didn't have one, so I could have just told you I didn't have a face cam. Once I do get a face cam, I will do face cam. That's what I should have told you guys. But I never really had the courage to. I don't know why I was so stupid enough not to tell you guys. Okay. Clean this up. Oh, I got promoted! Well, it's not like I'm the only one who's got promoted, but because everyone has gotten promoted in Bloxburg. I have 0 Robux, sadly, since I spent it all. Next video will be a Meep City, a classic Meep City video. Just to see how it's like. If you guys, I really miss the old Meep City. So, yeah. I'm sorry if I sound a little different. I just woke up. That's the reason. And I look like I just woke up in the camera, don't I? More mess to clean up. I'm gonna turn off the chat. Okay, so I'm just still cleaning up. Okay. Now clean up this. When I'm older, I might not do face cam. Just so you know, I might not do face cam when I'm older, but I may, but that's really unknown since I'm younger right now. And I probably, if I don't do face cam, I'm not going to show my face anywhere when I'm older. Anywhere. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be getting enough money, so I'm just gonna see how much I get. Ooh, that's a pretty decent amount of cash right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna go TP to my home. Oh, gee golly, that's bright. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna turn off my face cam when you can't really see me. So, yeah, I just got this notification. Yeah, I turned off face cam because it's so freaking bright that you won't even be able to see me. Okay, so we're just working up on my houses a little bit. This is, as you see before there used to be like stars there. I'm trying to order those back. Yeah, my bedroom's back. My bedroom's back. My office still needs to be returned because it's all empty right now because I moved and then I decided to move back. So yeah, I decided to move back here. I moved to Brookhaven with my best friend, but then I got evicted back here. They wanted me to come back here. Because I got evicted. So I had to come back here. I got evicted again, so I have to come back here. That was kind of creepy for them. I'm just going to sit down because that gives you energy. I wonder how much energy I'm getting. I'm getting a pretty decent amount of cash right here. I got a pretty decent amount of cash. Are these people fans? Why are they coming to my house? I'm gonna turn on the TV. Why won't it turn on? Change channel. Change channel. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. We're getting my energy back. I think I'm gonna take a shower to get my hygiene back. And I'm gonna eat something. Then I'm gonna eat something. Okay. Huh. So guys, while I'm taking a shower, I hope you guys can smash that like button because I would really appreciate it. And get me to 200 subscribers. That would really help me out a lot. Okay. So now I got to eat something. I'm going to cook something. I'm going to have some take ingredients. I'm going to make some pancakes. Stir. Ew, I'm inside. Okay. F. Okay, now let's fry them. R. Okay, it looks like I'm even doing anything. Okay, we're gonna quit that before it goes away. Oh no, it went away! R. Yay, I got pancakes! Woo! Time to place them and eat some. There we go. Now it just says I'm bored, so we're gonna go out. I'm gonna wash these dishes first. I'm just gonna wash these dishes. Okay. So, anyways. Now. So we're just gonna go outside and explore Bloxburg, like I did with Val. Why is my face so blue? Alright guys, I think I'm going to end it off here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!